Let's make some chocolate day energy bars. This is another part of our bar series in which we're trying to make something that's healthier to eat than eating other little snacks. We're going to start off with 1 cup of unsweetened coconut. We're going to place this in the oven at 325 degrees for roughly 6 minutes, stirring it, making sure it doesn't burn, but we just want to give it a nice little toasted flavor. Once our coconut is toasted in our food processor, we're going to put 2 cups of dates. They have, of course, the pits taken out of them. We're going to add a combination of 2 cups of sesame seeds and pumpkin seeds. Now, if you don't have pumpkin seeds, you can use all sesame seeds, or you can use all pumpkin seeds if you like. Whichever one that you would like. Alright, to that now, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. One teaspoon of vanilla. If you like these recipes, please take a moment to like and subscribe, share, comment, tell us what kind of healthy treats that you enjoy. We're now going to put our toasted coconut in there as well. As I make a mess, I'm okay with that, but I'm really surprised everything fit into the food processor. We're going to turn this on and combine it until everything forms into a nice little ball. Ours is beginning to form a nice little ball there. Now over here what we've done, take a sheet pan, and we have placed some parchment paper on top. Now sometimes your dates are not always going to have the same amount of moisture in them. If you find that your mixture is a little dry, please add more dates to it. Although you don't want it to be a powdery or have that consistency. We're just going to take this. It would help if I turn it out the right way. And we're just going to take it on the sheet pan and we're just going to flatten it out. And then once we're finished flattening it out, we're going to stick it in the refrigerator and we're going to let it sit for a minimum of 2 hours, preferably overnight. And then we're going to cut them into bars and then we're going to enjoy them. It's a super simple, healthy recipe that's much better than your store-bought candy or snacks. Give this recipe a try.